She was a gypsy, and she was sassy and bright and very creative, and she wore beaded jewelry that her friends made and always looked very coordinated and put together.
Sheila Elizabeth Black passed away on July 20th at the age of 72 from COVID-19 complications.
I miss her a lot.
Her friend Nancy Vitale says she always had the biggest smile and loved to write poems.
Her poetry was amazing, and she led creative writing groups out of her home.
The last few years, she says Sheila suffered from dementia and required extra care at Gracewood Health and Rehab Nursing Home in Tulsa. Since the coronavirus outbreak, it was tough not to see her friend when facilities went on lockdown.
They tried mightily to keep her from either contracting it or spreading it. Who knows what? You can't see the viruses. And so they put her on quarantine, and she was a wanderer. It was really hard to keep her on quarantine.
Sheila is one of 238 Oklahomans living at a nursing home or long-term care facility who died from the coronavirus. Unfortunately, it's a trend not unique to Oklahoma.
It's actually kind of what we see nationally. And you have to remember that nursing homes are communal living settings. So it is easy for a virus to spread from person to person when there's close contact.
Dr. Lee Jennings from the University of Oklahoma says even if these types of facilities follow strict safety guidelines, because of the close nature of physical care, the possibility of transmission increases. But she says we can all do our part to help lower community spread.
When you and I wear a mask to the grocery store, we're actually doing what we need to do to protect those nursing home residents. Because community spread, if we're able to decrease spread in the community, we'll decrease spread in our facilities too.
Nancy understands the risks of COVID too well, being a nursing faculty, but she says it hits close to home, knowing she won't see Sheila again.
What do we do with our grief? We've been talking, friends of hers have been talking together, and we're going to have our own little Zoom meeting in another week.
In Tulsa, Giselle Puente, 2 Works for You.